time to have fun with Kitty and Lou.
Panya, do you get sick of eating leaves?
Oh, never. I enjoy every single one.
Oh, okay. Do the trees mind you having so many?
Mind? No. Actually, we're working together. See these little ones?
Yeah.
I'm helping them. I clear some space up there so the sunlight can come down and make them grow.
Oh. So, how does the sunlight make them grow?
With photosynthesis.
What's that?
Well, it's science.
What's science?
Science is amazing. That's what it is. It helps us discover how the world works.
Oh my gosh, Shingles, that's so cool! How things work. Oh. Wow. Oh. Interesting. Why does he make that sound? There must be some scientific explanation.
Excuse me?
Oh, hi.
What are you doing with my trunk?
I'm a scientist.
Oh, what's that?
I look at things very carefully and figure out how they work.
Can I be a scientist?
Not sure. Maybe not.
Why not?
Well, you need an inquiring mind. That's what Panya said.
Hey, no, I've got one of those.
Do you? You're always quite dreamy.
Well, that's not fair. Why should you get to be a scientist and not me? That's just wrong. Panya?
Kia ora, Lou, my friend.
Kia ora. Quick question.
Yes?
Can I be a scientist?
Yes, of course.
Yes! Thought so.
Hooray! We can do science together then.
Oh, no thanking yous. I'm not going to share my incredible discoveries. Right, let's get scientific. Let's get scientific. It's hard. Oh, boy. Kitty!
Yeah?
Oh, can you please show me how to do this sciencing business?
Of course. Love to.
Science, science, you gotta take a closer look. Science, science, you gotta find out how things work. Every how and where and what. Someone's thought about it a lot, and that's called science.
Why does my shadow always follow me around?
Oh, that's sciencey.
Science, science, what do we breathe when we breathe the air? Science, science, how do the birds fly way up there? There are questions all around us. The answers may astound us, and that's called science.
Why is the sky blue?
Let's ask some sky experts.
When we open our mouths and sing, our vocal cords go zing. And we know what that's about, 'cause someone's worked it out, and that's called science. Science, it's always learning something new. Science, science, and we can do it too. You wonder, then you guess, then you put things to the test, and that's called science.
Here's one. Why am I so hungry?
It's lunchtime, silly.